Hi, I'm Sophie Monk, singer of Inside Outside.
Inside Outside. I don't know it.
Yeah, no one bought it.
Right.
When it comes to pop music, there's no guarantee. But lucky there is in the kitchen thanks to HelloFresh. Get the music on, let the beat no doubt.
This is Dish the Delish, the cooking show presented by Sophie Monk, the hostess with not quite the mostest. Today's guest, comedian extraordinaire and actual good host, Julia Morris.
You're beautiful.
Oh, thanks for being here. I thought you'd help me, teach me how to host because I'm just winging this.
I don't know how to host. I know how to feed people jungle treats.
Oh, right.
But that won't help us today.
No, we're not doing that today. We're doing yummy.
Jerk chicken and Caribbean couscous with a charred corn and coconut sweet chilli mayo. Yum.
That's right.
So you got your instructions there?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Hey.
Why don't you do the mint and then zest that lime?
Yum.
I'll do the capsicum over here and we'll start rolling. You know what, Jerks?
Yeah?
We actually have a lot in common.
Do we?
Apart from being hilarious.
Oh, I'm both bikini ready at all times.
That's right. Well, you won the first Celebrity Apprentice.
Yeah.
And I was the first bogan to win Celeb Apprentice.
To be honest with you, they went uphill to get to you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Oh, I'm killing it over here. What's next, Julia?
I have no idea.
Let's have a look on this. But you know what? Someone was saying to me, they're like, you're pretty funny. You should try stand-up.
Oh, stand-up. It's so easy. And there's tens and tens of dollars to be made in the industry.
Is that right? Because I actually thought of a joke.
Did you?
Yeah, do you want to
All
hear
right.
it?
Do I need to brace myself?
Yeah, you did. Why did the jerk chicken seasoning cross the road?
Do you know what? Pari day, as the French would say. I've got no idea.
No, you meant to say what?
Oh, yeah,
What?
no, why? What?
To get to the other thigh. Did you get it?
I really got it.
Like a chicken
No,
thigh.
I got it. I got
God.
it. So that's...
Killed me, that one. I've got heaps more of those.
Yes.
Yeah.
I reckon let's look at the next thing.
So I'm going to marinate the chicken in the jerk seasoning.
I'm going to get a bit of capsicum and whip it in my old pan,
Oh, you
babe.
whip it in, whip it.
Hey, listen, baby.
Yeah.
How am I going to get you into the jungle?
Oh, nah. Because you can't have a hairdryer or a spray tan, can you?
Neither would have thought after the Arias you would have broken up with the spray tan.
Oh, you saw that photo? It was a little bit orange, wasn't it?
Sophie! It was completely overdone, my love heart. Speaking of overdone, I'm going to char the corn as a tie-back. That's what they call it in the industry.
Nice segue.
No, that's right.
I got that.
Oh, I like it.
You're a pro. By the way, how do you think I'm going with my hosting here?
I think it's definitely going.
I think I'm getting better.
Yes.
I'm warming up now.
Oh, aren't we all, doll?
Yeah. Thanks, Julia. Look at that charred cornness.
No,
Yum.
it smells so
I can
good.
smell the smokiness from here.
Do you know what this show reminds me of?
What?
Oh, there was this amazing cooking show that Celeste did a couple of years ago. And you know what I'm like? I've only got half the details at any given time. And she was like cooking and having fun, and it was for it was.
I don't know what you're talking about.
that was.
Anyway, step 4. Let's take the veggies off and let's
do that.
flop the chicken in.
I tell you what I love.
What?
Flopping chicken.
Do you? I do too.
This chicken is so good, it's in love with itself.
Oh, yum, I can tell. Now I'm going to add my capsicum and corn to the couscous, in she goes. My spinach, and then my lime zest in. Just smell that.
It smells beautiful.
That smells good too. Bob's your uncle.
Well,
Bob legit was my uncle.
I mean, he's gone to God now.
Yeah,
but
he did, but still.
Would you like me to kind of...
Chili.
How good does it look?
And then I'm going to use the coconut sweet chili mayo and just to varnish the dish.
No, that's garnish. It's garnish.
You say potatoes, I say tomatoes.
Absolutely. I tell you what, it doesn't matter what we call it, it looks amazing.
Doesn't it? This is the best.
But it,
Delicious.
yes.
Let's eat. I mean, how good does this look?
It looks so delicious. I can't believe we made it. Yes! Delicious. Bon appetit, my friend.
Oh, same. Bon
Yum.
You know what they say about HelloFresh,
What's
Julia?
that,
They say it never disappoints, and you did not disappoint today. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
Good. Sign up today at hellofresh.com.au.